Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Just wanted to quickly rifle through a Dollar Tree haul that I picked up. I'm sorry, my kids are going to be loud in the background. I guarantee they're all here, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I got two Wet n Wild crease brushes. These are pretty good brushes, and now you can get them at all of the Dollar Trees. So I got some blonde bobby pins. Anytime I see like Goody brand at the Dollar Tree, I grab it, or even this Scunchie brand or whatever, Scunchie, I don't know how you say it, but Scrunchie, I used to say Scrunchie, but it's definitely not Scrunchie. So I got some little hair scrunchies. Let's see. Okay, so those were blonde ones. These ones are just black scrunchies, and then I got this no slip grip all day hold. I thought this was cool. It looks like it'll hold all of the hair back. I mean, it'll hold my whole head because I hardly have any hair, so pretty cool. And I got it in black too. This one was like that tortoise shell, or I don't know, what do they call this color? You know what I'm talking about. Also got two packages of Good and Plenty's. They're my favorite. Alright, and I got 2 packs of the triple razors. I'm anxious to try these. I heard that they're really nice razors for the price, so, you know, $1 for 5 is a pretty good deal. I've already used these in the past. This is a Scrub Buddies brand of basically the Magic Eraser. I wanted to grab this little coconut oil moisturizing cream. I just want to see how it works. I mean, for $1, you get 6 ounces, and the ingredients looked decent, so I just wanted to give this a try. Also proudly made in the USA. Okay, I got my daughter some placards. Then I got this little dish scrubby doodad, so we'll see how this one works compared to the more expensive versions that you can purchase. Oh, I love these. These are some coasters. It says, "This home is filled with love." It says that they're naturally absorbent coasters, so I'm looking forward to that. I got all the same style, "This home is filled with love," and I got 4 of them in total. So really, really anxious to put those out. I think that they're so pretty. Okay, so next I really wanted to have a smaller container that I could refill, because I have a huge container of Pine-Sol, but I wanted to have a smaller container so I could put this under my sink. I use this Pine-Sol all the time. I like fill my sink, just the bottom of it, and I wipe down my counters and even my kitchen table, and I absolutely love Pine-Sol, so it is my favorite scent. And I use this all the time, so I wanted to grab that. Excuse you, my dog just belched over there. This is just I don't know, everyone says this smells good. This is a fabric softener, so I'm gonna try it. We'll see. And then this is like another Pine-Sol type deal for floor cleaning. So I got this. It smelled really nice, like lavender. I really love the scent lavender, so I thought I'd give it a whirl. And then this is another Fabuloso. Don't ask me why I got that, but I figured I would give it a try. Okay, so I grabbed 2 Pine-Sol things. And then my kids are going to need soap to give to the school, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these antibacterials. Sorry guys, my dog saw a squirrel. So as I was saying, I got 2 of these soft soap, the antibacterials, to give to the school. And then I also grabbed the crisp cucumber and melon, if I could speak. So that's everything I got at the Dollar Tree. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye everyone.